Venus with Estes What It Is.
What It Is with Chris Brown, who is finally showing some sorrow for the things he's done. Like, I don't know, throw a chair through the Good Morning America window, fight with Drake, maybe when he cursed out the valet guy, and of course, most importantly, 4 years ago, when he beat up Rihanna. He addressed all of this in an interview.
You know, I just tried my best to be the best man I could be, you know, over the years, and you know, just show how remorseful and sorry I was for the incident, and that time was probably the worst part of my life. So, you know, being that she has and she's a wonderful person, you know, I'm eternally grateful and thankful.
And exactly how is the relationship now with Chris Brown and Rihanna?
Oh, you know, it's still like we kids, man. I try not to be too grown and, you know, yeah, let's have, you know, candlelight dinner every night, you know. But it's just, you know, I just try to make sure everything is fun. You know, it has to be fun and it has to be, you know, genuine, and everything is love.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like he may be growing up, you know, and genuine this time. We hear that Chris Brown is busy with Jennifer Lopez in the studio professionally. They are working on that stuff. So they've been, you know, it looks like a lot will be coming out from Chris Brown in a mature way.
Well, I feel like some of this is a move to make his image better, because there are rumors that him and Rihanna are going to get married. So before that wedding happens, they want people to think of them as a mature couple.
Good for them. Is it a good idea or a bad idea? I think they should wait a couple of years. You know?
What It Is with rapper Gucci Mane, who is also in the new movie Spring Breakers. He is facing another charge. We told you about an assault claim where the victim, he was in Afghanistan. He's a veteran. He says that Gucci Mane hit him in the back of the head with a bottle. Now there's a second victim. He says he has never been so humiliated and so disrespected in his life. This happened at a club where Gucci Mane apparently punched the guy in the side of his face, knocking off his glasses. Like, it all started because the fan just wanted to shake rapper Gucci Mane's hand. Like, he just wanted to introduce himself,
hey, Gucci,
say he's a fan. Bam! That's exactly
Gucci.
what happened.
That sounds like what happened to
already.
the soldier. Yeah, the soldier was doing the same thing. The soldier was talking to the bouncer, asking if he can go in to say hello to Gucci Mane, and that's when he got a bottle cracked over his head.
2 guys assaulted by Gucci
I wonder what the hell is going on with Gucci.
His mind's playing tricks on him.
I thought with the movie Spring Breakers, he was Selena Gomez. I'm like, oh, he's going to be a softie.
I wonder if there's more to these stories than what's being reported, you know? So we'll see. We'll see.
Hopefully he stays out of trouble, but he is facing these 2 charges. I mean, of course, these guys went to the police. And that's what it is. Every 50 After with the Obie and Little Sean Show.
What It Is brought to you